Alright, it's another night here at the Woobs. I've just made a fidget spinner pita. We have Mom in the kitchen. It's like 11:15. We have some, what do we have? Some chickpeas. We have a tortoise in a brown paper bag. Let's see what he's up to. He left his kale uneaten. Good boy.
No, close it so it's dark. That's what he wants.
Alright, it's nice and dark. We have Chunky, who's lost the will to go on apparently. He hears his name, which is usually a signal. Alright, Chunky, we can do a bit. I don't know what he's doing. We have Dad doing research, wearing his Harvard School of Public Health shirt.
Yes. I worked hard to get that. Testifies to the fact that I have a smart wife.
We have Hannah, who's in a censored state.
Excuse you.
Unfit to be seen.
I'm never fit to be seen. I'm a queen.
I should videotape you just for that. And yeah, it's a typical domestic scene.
Give Chunky a bit.
Alright, Chunky, where's your bit?
No, honey?
Olive oil.
I'm gonna look at the thing.
Oh, I can't. Alright.
Chips is in a brown paper bag.